దగ్గర కలరా పట్టుకొస్తావా
కొంచెం
ఓకేనా నువ్వు నీళ్ళకి వెళ్తా అంటే లేకపోతే Hi, my name is Srinivas. I live in California, and in my home state of California, we have a lot of grass everywhere. And as we know, the devastating effects of the fire, grass fire, that we have record-breaking fires. So that took a toll on our health, our air pollution, and lot of people died sadly, and a lot of animals died very sadly. And to prevent this, I thought of this small invention. So I'm trying to see if it works. Okay, and I live in California, and in my home state of California we have a lot of grass, and when grass burns, it spreads like a wildfire, and it consumes a lot of areas, a lot of landscape, and lot of people died because of that. Lot of community destroyed, and a lot of animals died, and the air got polluted so much so that we had to evacuate certain places, certain cities, certain towns. So to prevent this, the firefighting department is using a lot of techniques and tools, and one of the tools I want to use is this one, the box behind me, and I will explain how it works. It's not a complicated one, it's just a box. Okay. What we are going to do is, imagine this is the grass in California, and we are going to put the box on top of the grass, and we will burn the grass inside, but the fire should not come outside the box, and light fire to the grass outside the box. So what is the purpose of this box, and why are we doing this? Okay, there is a firefighting technique called creating a fire line. So fire line is like a barrier between two landscapes. So instead of a big huge landscape of a lot of grass, fire department tries to cut that into different pieces using fire line. Fire line is nothing but a line of no grass. So that can be achieved by several methods. One of the methods I'm trying to use is burn the fire between two areas, and create a fire line. So when there is no grass between two areas, when fire tries to spread from one area to the other, because we already burnt this grass here, it will stop there. So that is what the fire line is all about. For more information, look at the description below. So here what we are trying to do is, we are putting the box on top of grass, and around the box we will put these barriers.
లోనే ఎదరది ఇక లోనే రాదు రాదు
దీన్ని కొద్దిగా ఒక నడు What we are trying to do is we are trying to replicate how it looks like in California hills, grassy hills. So we are putting lot of grass in. And our goal is to see if it will stop the fire from coming out. ఇంకా బయట రావాలి. ఇది బయట రావాలి. బరువే ఉన్నాయి రాళ్ళు పెడదాం బరువు ఎందుకు ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి అక్కడ కాదు
ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలి ఎదర ఎదర ఇక్కడ అక్కడిరా యాదగిరి మీ నాన్నగిరి ఆ రెండు రాళ్ళు అన్నది ఆడయిరా అది
Sir, what we did is we placed the box on the grass, and all this grass here we covered it with some metal sheets here. In original design, this will be like a taller, bigger and wider with wheels, and this barrier will be vertically down. But here, for the sake of proof of concept, we did we put these barriers like metal sheets around the box so that fire won't escape from there to outside. Our goal is when you burn inside the container, the fire should be contained within the container. It should not come out. You should not escape from the box to outside. And also, as you can see here, you put lot of mesh around here so that when the fire, any embers come out, this mesh will stop the embers from coming out. That is our goal. As you can see, lot of mesh around, everywhere mesh, and outside we put barriers, and to give some pressure to the metal sheets, we put some heavy stones here so that the fire won't escape. So our goal is to prove that when we light a fire inside the container, the fire will stay inside the container. It will not spread to the outside grass. So this way, what we can do is we can create a fire lane. Once whatever is under this box burns, we move the box to the next around. So we move the box to the next part, and then we burn again, and we keep rolling the box forward, and then we burn. So as you can see, this is the box. We have some ventilation for the box completely sealed off, except for this mesh here. So this mesh will, as you can see there is some ventilation here for fresh air to go in, and it will help the fire to continue. And as you can see, a lot of grass here. And so our goal is burn the grass inside, but not the grass outside. So this way we can create a fire lane without worrying about the weather. It can be very sunny outside, it can be very windy outside. We don't care because the box helps us to control the fire within the box. So as you can see, come closer, you can see, show how this grass is. So we try to put as much grass as possible inside, so that it resembles what it looks like in California. So that's what it is. And the grass is from there to here. So our goal is to prove that the fire will be inside but is not outside. So let us see what will happen. Okay. ఉంది నువ్వు రెడీనా? ఓకే. క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి. And our goal is to make sure that the fire stops inside. No embers, no fire embers come outside. Now you can see some ash coming out, but no embers, because lot of grill is out there, like a mesh kind of thing, that is stopping the embers from coming out. So I can see the glow here, but fire is not coming out. It is stopped there. Let us hope. Let us give 5 more minutes to see if fire comes out. It is very hard. Burning inside. And it's very hot here, but fire did not come outside. So there is no fire outside. So the grass here is just fine. Grass around is just fine. So let us see how much it will hold. I'm hoping that it will work, but with all experiments, we should always check, do the test completely and see if it works. ఇంకా వేయాల్సిందంట లోపల గడ్డి వేసాము, గడ్డి తక్కువ వేసాము.
ఇది కింద కవర్ అయ్యేటట్టు
మొదలు పై నుండే వస్తుంది, కింద నుండి రావచ్చు. కట్ చేసాం కదా మనం. So far it looks good. Fire is still burning inside, but I don't see any fire coming outside. నీకైతే గడ్డి తక్కువ ఉన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. It's completely burnt out. Fire is completely burnt out, as you can see. And if you come outside here, the fire stopped here. It did not come out here. Okay, it's all up. See, fire did not burn outside. Even though fire burned inside, there is no burn inside. Here we saw some smoke. Some smoke came outside, but there is no fire here. There is flame in there.
తడిపైన ఉంచాలి లేకపోతే దానికి పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇటు గడ్డి మొత్తం కాలిపోతుంది, నీటికి వస్తుంది.
కావాలి కదా మనకి గడ్డి కావాలి కదా. ముందు వెనకాల ముందే I will put more grass to make sure that it looks more realistic.
Close.
దాంట్లో తాళ్ళు అడుగు కట్టేసి అది కూడా
The equip, okay, as you can see this side, we made the barrier longer here to make sure that it won't come out. No fire will escape from this side. It's very hot now, as you can see. It's burning really hot. Then paikek. So we will give it a few more minutes to make sure that our goal is to keep the fire inside. Fire should not come outside, and we should not see any problem here. We should not see any problem here. It's all gas. We should not burn. Let us see if this barrier should stop the fire from coming out. First time. At least 6 feet of barrier going on inside. So as you can see, even the fire is still going on. No smoke or no fire here. This all looks fine. So with this, we can create a fire line easily without depending on the weather conditions. So somebody who owns a lot of land, if he wants to do a fire in his own property, he can create his own fire line using this without worrying about the fire getting out of control. Hopefully this will help control the fire, and hopefully it will help save some lives. This is a proof of concept only. So this is not the real box that I applied for a patent for. So my original patent looks like it has a wheels, it is very big, and it is much more sophisticated. Because I don't have a lot of funds, I made the proof of concept with very limited budget. So as you can see, with these barriers we can stop the fire from coming out. So once I get some funding or something, then I can actually create this bigger and wider and with wheels, and instead of putting these rocks, it has its own weights that come with the vehicle. So once you move the vehicle along the grass, you can actually, these barriers will be on the side of this vehicle. All we do is just flip them down. Just put them down, and it has some weights on it, and we put the weights and then burn and then lift it and move along. So this is like a tractor trailer. So this container will be a part of a tractor trailer. So that's what we are going to do. Now the fire is almost over. I know nothing is burning out. దగ్గరికి తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇటు వైపు చూపించు. You can see lot of the fire is almost over. Okay, there is no fire outside. There is no fire outside. It's not a very complicated machinery. It is very simple box and with some barrier outside, maybe about 6 to 8 feet long. That's all it needs to control the fire. So this will help a lot because it's very cheap compared to other methods, and you don't have to depend on the weather conditions, and you don't need lot of skilled people. Anybody can do this. You don't need lot of fire experts to guide you because it's just a box, and this will definitely help save lives, I think. Maybe next time I will make a better, even bigger and better video of this. Thank you. Fire came a little bit, about a couple of feet, but it stopped because we have a barrier here. Even though there is a lot of fire there, fire is unable to escape. Fire unable to escape, it stopped right there. So that's a good sign. Okay, and if I put this out, as you can see, fire did come out a little bit out of that, but it could not go far because this barrier, there is no oxygen for it to burn. So here and here you can see fire was not able to escape. Even though it tried to come out, but it failed. So I would say the experiment passed, proof of concept, but of course it can be much better with wheels and instead of using our hands to put rocks. With more funding, I can actually do something automatic thing. So the weight will be put on these barriers automatically, something that can be lifted and pushed onto this. But anyway, the bottom line is this works. This is the proof of concept here. We can actually control the fire. Even though there is a lot of fire inside and a lot of grass outside, we are able to stop the fire from completely spreading. As you can see, even the fire burnt inside, and actually fire is still burning. Fire is still hot, but still this stopped here. It could not go further because of this barrier. And here also, because of the barrier, it stopped. So abundance of grass here, lot of fire inside, but fire stopped right there. We can use this to control the fire within this box and create our own fire line without the need of a lot of fire experts, without depending on the weather conditions. Even if it is very hot outside, very windy outside, you can still use this. And if you have a house in Malibu and you have a lot of grass around, and if you have one of these fire tractors, you can actually create your own fire line around the house. So when fire comes from outside through the hills, it will stop right there at the fire line. So this will save your house, this will save your pets, this will save your own lives and countless others. So I'm hoping that this will be used and with some funding I can make it better. So because of short of funds, I could not make it much more elaborate as I wanted. In my patent application, I actually made it much bigger and with wheels. It will have a lot of wheels to carry around and carry this box around. This will be a part of a tractor trailer. That is my goal. So you have a tractor and you have a trailer. On top of this trailer, these boxes will be there, and you can pull the tractor and burn grass as you go along and create a fire line around your property. Thank you.